Is this a joke or something?
No, it's not a joke, my darling. Listen. I know I'm not the best man in the world. I know that I'm not the best man in this city. But you're the best that has ever happened to me. Look, I don't want to sound selfish. But seriously, I don't want to ever wake up at the age of 80 without you by my side. I love you with every vein in my heart. And please, I'm begging you today, let me spend forever with you. Stella Madi, would you be so kind to me and accept this ring and marry me?
Congratulations!
Let's get it! I love you. I love you forever. I love you.
Somebody's actually out.
There's a wedding to plan, man. There's a fucking wedding to plan. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Congratulations, bro. We made it.
Oh my God. This is so beautiful.
Wait until you see the wedding.
Take me out of the market.
Easy, take it easy. One step at a time, okay? Easy. Yeah. You're walking home. officially your matrimonial home.
Thank you, baby.
I love you. Don't cry, come on. You know what I want to do now?
No.
I just want to rip this clothes off and rip you apart.
Thanks, baby.
Come. Let's go. This way.
I have a home.
You have a home now, baby. Take it easy. One step at a time. One step at a time. Wow. Let's go. It's okay. Okay. Sorry. I got you. Oh, yeah. Is it good? Good?
Yeah. I have to help myself right now.
Alright.
Ouch.
Hey! Are you good?
Yes, I'm fine now. Thank you. Oh, you were there?
Yes. I'm just gonna help you drag this up. Come on.
Thanks, honey.
Halle, halle, halle. Money, money, money.
No, it's not money.
It's what?
Love.
No. Of course this is love. Why you do that, baby? Come on. Come on.
Baby.
Come on. Oh, gosh. Let's go. Keep going.
Who's there? Is in there? Please go and check who's at the door. And who is even knocking like that?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You here? Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. Where is the latest friend? My friend.
My girl.
Look at you. Oh God, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
You are really glowing.
Thanks, baby. Sit down.
Thank you.
Yeah. How are you?
So this glow. Oh,
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm okay. I don't even need to ask how you are because I can see it. The glow, everything.
Thank you. Esine, please get us 2 glasses of juice.
All right, sister. I'll be right back.
Thank you. My girl.
Babes. But this your honeymoon no waste time. I thought it was supposed to be 2 weeks.
Oh yes, you're right. My husband got an emergency call at the firm where he works, and it requires his physical attention, so we had to come back.
Okay. Babe,
Yeah.
this ring.
It's given.
This is diamond.
Yes, baby.
It's magnificent.
Thank you. Thanks, darling. What more can I ask for? This is one of the things I've always prayed for. For a man who is going to take care of my sister and I, love me unconditionally, provides almost everything for me, and God did not just answer the prayers, but He blessed me with a sweetheart, a cute and loving husband who adores me so much.
Yeah.
I thank God, seriously.
God, when, oh, when. You're lucky, my friend.
I am not lucky, I am blessed.
You are blessed.
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Wow.
One and only Mrs. Odo. See my girl. See my girl. It's not
I
even
don't marry you.
sis.
I swear, like, who would believe that I would get married so soon?
My dear, you need just get married. Got married to a very wealthy man.
I got married to...
Well, my dear, enjoy. Okay.
Chilled juice, right?
This one.
I know.
I see I'm even sweating.
Sorry.
Sugar is not good for your health.
Look at this muggy.
Doctor. Okay. So, enjoy yourself.
Okay.
Thank you. You're welcome. Bobby, I am hungry. See, this juice is good, boy. I came hungry because I know my friend will have anything I want to eat.
You already know.
So,
I have everything in this house.
Of course, that's why I came.
Let's head to the kitchen so you make a choice.
Because I know you prepare anything for me.
Wow. It's been fun all throughout, seriously. Okay, so what are we having?
Remember that noodles when you begin prepare for school?
Okay.
Now it's I want chop. I don't miss that noodles.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what you want to have?
You know how you prepare it now?
Yeah, you should know me. If you know my cooking, I never change, like... Okay. When it comes to my cooking, I can never change. Alright, so I got you. So, I know. So, how many noodles will you consume?
Yeah, too.
Okay. My lighter, where is this girl?
Bro, I tried reaching you on the phone. I mean, I kept on calling, and you were not picking up. What's going on? What's wrong?
Steve, everything is wrong.
What do you mean everything is wrong? Is Stella okay? What could be the matter? What's wrong?
Do you remember the computer contract supply I told you about? The one we celebrated before the wedding?
The one with the primary and secondary schools in the States?
Yeah, that's one.
So what about it?
You know I spent a lot during the wedding, right? Well, after I made payments for the supplies, I did not have enough money for the shipment. So the Chinese supplier that I paid suggested that we smuggle it with some contraband into the country.
What? Suggested that you do what?
Yeah, that's what it is.
So what happened?
Well, my goods have been seized by the customs.
Well, your goods were in contraband?
Yes, they're not contrabands, and that's why they're asking me to bring 12 million naira before they release the goods to me.
12 million naira?
Yes.
That's a lot of money, bro.
That's a whole lot of money, Steve.
And you don't seem to have it right now. I mean, not after spending lavishly on that wedding.
You know the story, my brother.
But I warned you. Did I not warn you? I warned you about spending lavishly on just on a common wedding. I mean, a wedding that was just for one day. You had to spend that lavishly. You see the result.
My brother, it is not my fault. Stella insisted that she wanted a flamboyant wedding. And I just wanted to impress her. I wanted to give her everything that she wanted.
Oh, you were actually doing that wedding to impress her. You got to impress woman. Beautiful, beautiful. No, that's very good. I hope she helps you out now. I mean, now see the situation. Call her to come and help you out. You wanted to impress her. Mr. Impressor.
Babe?
Yeah, honey.
Mama will be coming in tomorrow.
Why?
Well, she's been complaining of Sleeplessness and tiredness.
Since when has she been complaining?
Well, a couple of weeks before the wedding.
And I am just getting to know about this.
Babe, look. I did not want to bother you. You were very busy with the wedding preparations.
Baby, even at that. She's my mother too. It's fine. So, has she been to the hospital yet?
Well, she went to the hospital in the village, but she was referred to a specialist hospital in the city here.
Okay, that's better. It's fine. Babe, you said tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow is Sunday and it's Mandy's child's naming ceremony.
Oh, yeah.
And we're supposed to be there.
Well, it doesn't stop anything. We would go for it when Mama comes. Isn't it we'll attend to her before we come back?
Okay. Okay, that's good.
That's fine.
I thank you, baby.
That's okay.
Don't worry, Mama is going to be fine, okay?
Amen.
Yes, amen. You're still worried?
No. It's okay. Come. Let's leave.
I love you, baby.
I love you too.
You didn't kiss me goodnight.
Oh. So pet. My love. Oh my goodness.
Mama, you're welcome. How was your journey?
Very rough. Our routes are so bad. But thank God I'm here.
Yes, ma'am.
Did I miss Joseph and Stella?
Mama, they just left now.
Okay, no problem. I'll go in now and freshen up.
Okay, ma'am.
And rest.
You need it. Yes, ma'am.
Have you cooked? Don't worry, I will come and cook.
Okay, ma'am. You're welcome, Mama.
Thank you.
Mama, you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you, my daughter. What have you done?
Still trying to
Have you washed the vegetables?
Not yet.
You need to wash them.
Okay.
Wash your vegetables before you do any other thing, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Wash them clean, okay?
Okay.
Let me continue. Where are you going?
To my room, Mama.
Why? Aren't you eating here? Mommy, Ezine never eats on this table. She likes eating in her room. Why?
Nothing, Mama.
Sit down there. We are all going to sit on this table and eat as a family. Stella, when are we going to do our own naming ceremony?
Very soon, Mama.
Oh, okay.
Very soon.
I have some friends in this city that I would like to invite too.
Okay. Just tell them that they should be patient, huh? Very soon they'll come.
Okay. Okay.
Mama, I'll see you later, okay?
Are you not coming inside?
No, there's something I need to take care of at the office.
Don't let it bother you.
Where is he going?
He said he has something to do at the office.
He couldn't see me at least.
He said it's urgent.
Mama, is everything alright?
It's nothing we cannot handle.
Receiving fresh air. What's up now? Where is this girl? What's that her name again? Who's there? Please bring my usual. What's up now? You sounded so worried on the phone. Are things getting bad with your goods?
I wish that was the case.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, if that isn't the case, then what is?
It's Mama.
Oh, Mama. How is she? You know, this murder case that I've been investigating of late, it's actually eating much of my time. I've not actually had time to come check on her. How's she doing? How about her?
You just got back from the hospital.
Okay.
Mama has been diagnosed of kidney failure.
What? Kidney failure?
One of her kidneys is failing.
My goodness.
Mama needs a transplant in the next 6 months. If that is not done, I'm going to lose her.
Oh, come on. It hasn't gotten to that. It hasn't.
Well, it has. I have to do it. And the doctor is saying that I have to do it immediately. That if I don't do it, I will lose Mama. I need 2.6 million naira for the surgery. And you know I don't have that kind of money right now. Especially now that things are not going well with me.
I'm very sure the money will come. But first, let's think about how to get a donor.
Well, according to the doctor, that's not a problem. I just need an excess of 5 million naira to buy the kidney from the donor. I honestly don't know what I'm supposed to do right now. Especially now that things are not well with me.
I'm going to be discussing this with my wife.
Why? Why are you telling her?
To see if I can donate to one of mine.
No, come on. Steve, I cannot make you do that. You know the donor is often at risk more than the recipient.
I know. But I mean, it's Mama we're talking about here.
No, I cannot let you do this. I cannot let you take that kind of risk. Don't worry, we'll look for a way. I'll find a way. I will, I'll find a way. Please, don't do this. Don't worry about it, okay?
Welcome, son.
Good evening.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. Where's Stella?
She went to the mall.
Oh, okay. Did you tell her?
No, I did not. I think you should be the one to tell her. Son, come and sit. Son, I know how you feel. I know you have so much on your head. Somehow, we'll get over it. We can actually get a donor. After all, the doctor said we can buy.
And that's where we have a problem. That's where we have a major problem, Mama. I do not have anything close to that amount in my bank account. Customs seized my goods, and they are insisting that I must pay them 12 million naira before they release the goods to me.
12 what?
12 million naira.
How much is the worth of the goods then?
Well, the computers are worth over 120 million naira. So they are demanding that I give them 10%. And Mama, you know how much I spent during the wedding?
Yes, I know. My friends are still talking about it. Oh dear, what are we going to do now?
I wish I knew, Mama. I just wish I knew what to do right now.
Does Stella know about this? Is she aware?
No, Mama, I don't want her to know about this. You know how emotional she can get. Very soon she will start blaming herself for insisting on a flamboyant wedding. And I don't want it to get to that point.
I understand. Son, there is nothing God cannot do. Before you know it, He will take control. Just keep praying. I'll be praying for you too. Okay?
How are you?
I'm fine, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. Is there something to eat?
Yes, but not my baby.
Alright, please do so immediately. Mama, I'll wait upstairs. Once I freshen up, I'll come down to it, okay?
Okay. Before you get down, the food will be ready. Mama?
Please do a miracle for my
son. Hi, baby.
Hey, sugar.
Yeah.
See you back.
Yeah, baby. Isn't told me you took a walk?
Oh yeah, I did. I just needed to catch some air.
What's wrong? Don't give me that look, baby. I still remember that the last time you took a walk was when I was diagnosed of fibroid. So what is it this time?
Nothing. It's Mama.
She's asking for grandchildren.
No.
What is it then?
Mama has been diagnosed of kidney failure.
What? Why didn't you tell me? How come I didn't even think? Like, these are simple symptoms. The sleepless night, the fatigue, the restlessness. Oh baby, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's not your fault, okay? Well, the doctor said that she's going to need a transplant in the next 6 months. And I offered to donate, but I'm not a match.
I can't even donate because of the complications I had during my fibroid surgery.
Babe, listen to me. I would not have let you donate your kidney for my mother.
Come on, babe. She's mom too. She's my mother. I wish I can.
It's okay.
But we can get a donor, right?
Well, yes. The doctor said that the kidney is going to cost 5 million naira. And it's also going to cost 2.6 million naira for the surgery.
Thank God at least we can get a donor. That's fair enough. Like, the money is not something you can't handle, yeah?
Yes.
I know. I trust you, so he should be fast about it.
Yeah, he told me he would let me know once he finds a donor.
6 months is not 6 years. So he had better do fast. Babe. No. Don't give up. Mama is going to be fine. Okay? No, baby. No. Don't put your face down. I don't want you to give up. We're on this together. I got you always. You're my husband. Okay?
Commissioner, please, all I'm asking for is just a couple of weeks. The computers are already in the country. I just need some time to bring it out of the customs. Yes, sir. Sir, I was thinking I can get an upfront, even if it's just 20% of the money that was agreed upon. Yes, I know we agreed on 100% payment after delivery, but I am just going through some financial issues right now and I need to handle them. No, it's okay. It's okay, I understand. It's okay. When I supply the goods, I'll get my money. No, you don't have to do that.
Honestly, I'm beginning to get tired of all these Ashebi things. Everybody just demands for exorbitant prices without even caring if their friend can afford it or not.
Martha, how much is exorbitant?
Babe, 200,000 naira is a lot of money.
Just happen now.
See, I don't blame you. You have a very wealthy husband who can afford anything. Me, I have nobody. Even that useless boyfriend I have takes from me rather than give.
It's fine. Don't go too far. I am going to talk to my husband and make him pay for mine and yours.
Are you serious?
Of course, I am serious.
Oh.
I am very serious. You know, I never joked about something like this.
I trust you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm very grateful.
I know.
But babe, this is your ring shine. Eh? See the way it's shining. I can't stop talking about this ring.
I know. Now, that's the reason my husband bought it. So it will be shiny, it will be glittering. You people will be poking your eyes on it.
Abi,
Yes,
see you. Now pride will kill you. Please, allow the singles like us to breathe.
To breathe.
As in, don't come and suffocate
No,
us,
I can't joke you. Don't worry. I believe very soon you're going to get married to a wealthy man.
Amen.
You deserve the best too. We deserve the best.
As in,
we have suffered.
Now. The suffer don't be here. But you're just enjoying and glowing.
I thank God for my husband.
Babe, let me get going.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have something doing at home. So take care of yourself, alright?
It's fine. See you some other time.
Bye.
Planning to invade Mommy, we are not invading, no.
It's just one of our university mates who is getting married very soon, and she added us in her WhatsApp group, and we couldn't decline because it's been long we saw her and communicated. So we see it as a reunion for us.
Ah, that's good.
Yes, ma'am. And mommy, Joseph told me about your diagnosis. Don't worry, mommy. Everything is going to be fine in no time.
How is your husband?
Your son, you mean? Mommy, he is fine. He's doing good. It's just that he's a little bit worried about your health condition. But I assured him that everything is going to be fine.
Is that the only thing bothering him? My health?
Yes. Mommy, why did you ask?
I feel there's something else that is worrying him. Something that he does not want to share with anyone. He's just keeping it to himself.
No, Mommy. I don't think so. My husband isn't like that. We share everything together. He tells me everything. Mommy, he tells me the good, the bad, and the ugly. So, I don't think.
I see. But still talk to him. You can't tell with men.
Alright, mommy. If that is going to make you feel better, I will talk with my husband.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you, mommy. Alright, let me go and see what Izine is doing in the kitchen. I'm coming. Thank you. You've been chopping tomatoes since. And this girl, you want hunger to kill my mother-in-law? Tomorrow for you. Tomorrow you say that I've killed my husband's mother. Since. Yeah? You've been on these particular tomatoes. I am getting fat because I don't know the reason my wedding ring could be this tight on me so soon. Please, Okay. Chief, Chief. Yo, wait. Where are you going?
You asked me to leave.
Come and stand here. I didn't say you should leave the kitchen. Watch me do it fast. Wash eggs for me.
Should I wash all of them?
Wash all. Chopping of tomatoes, you stay. Even your walk, walking a little, raising your legs.
There you go.
Thank you.
You like it, right?
This is fresh and sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome. Sister, how fun now?
I did.
Sister, I'll be going back to school on Monday.
Wait, too. The holidays are over here already. Okay. So, how much is your school fees again? Okay, how much did we pay last semester?
So my school fees is 150,000 naira, and my rent has expired too.
Okay. All right, that won't be a problem. I will talk to my husband when he comes back.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Let me go and finish up. Enjoy yourself, okay?
Okay, thank
Bye.
you. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Baby.
Hello.
Izine said she'll be going back to school next tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how much is her school fees this time?
It's 150,000 naira.
Okay.
And she said her house rent is expired. She needs to renew it.
All right. How much did we pay the last time?
Her house rent was 250,000 naira. So let's say 500,000 naira is going to cover up for everything, including her foodstuffs.
Okay, all right.
Thanks, baby. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too, Mom.
And again, baby.
Yeah.
I have a wedding for the end of the month.
Okay.
And we We are buying Asoebi.
Oh.
Yes, it's going to cost 200.
200 naira.
Babe, which is 200 naira? Even if it's handkerchief for this country now, you can't even see it for 200 naira. What are you saying?
How much is it, babe?
Baby, it's 200,000 naira. And I want you to buy for 2.
Why?
Baby, it's Martha. You know she isn't married, and her new job is not fast paying. So I told her I would beg you to pay for hers, please.
Okay. It's okay, I'll pay.
You're going to pay for 2? Yeah. Thank you so much, baby. I love you so much. You never said no to me.
I love you too, yeah.
Thanks, honey. I appreciate, okay?
Yeah.
I love you, silly.
I love you too.
Forever. Thanks, baby.
It's okay.
I appreciate this.
I'll do everything for you, okay?
I know. And I'll do everything for you too. I love you. Forever.
Love you too, yeah.
Forever together.
Let me just... I'm coming. Let me get to the living room.
Baby, why are you sweating so hard? The AC is on.
Yeah, it's okay.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
But why are you going to the sitting room?
I'll join you soon. Let me just...
I need you right now, okay?
I'm coming. Okay?
Alright, baby. You sure you're fine?
Yeah.
Alright, honey. I'm waiting.
Yeah, sure. Go.
Oh my god, baby, thank you so much. Let me call this witch. Okay. Madam, pick now. Hi, witch. Good news. My husband has accepted to pay for 2 Asoebi materials. Of course. Yes, he never says no to me. Amen, amen. God will keep blessing him. Alright, okay sis, it's fine. Amen, thank you. Bye, good night. What's the problem, sir? Are you okay? Uncle Joe.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
So are you alright?
Nothing is alright. Nothing is fine with me right now. Everything is upside down. My goods are with the customs. Mama needs a kidney transplant. And you are expected to go back to school in the next 2 days. My wife, your sister, needs money for Ashwebi and that of her friend. In all of this, I do not have up to 100,000 naira in my bank account.
Is my sister aware of all this?
No, she's not. You know how your sister can be.
No, Uncle. You need to speak with her. She is your wife. She can't be demanding for Ashebi when you have pressing issues to attend to.
Yeah. I wish I had the courage to speak with her, but I cannot.
Uncle Joe, you know I can help you do that. That is, if you don't mind.
No, I mind. I mind. You don't have to speak with her. I would. I'll talk to her when the time comes.
Uncle Joe, you see, every man goes through difficult times. But it is your ability to stand tall over the situations that matters. Uncle Joe, I believe in you. You're a strong man. And I am confident that you're going to come out of all this. Okay, just be strong. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Uncle Joe, you need to go and sleep right now, please. It's late. You need to sleep. Okay?
It's okay. You can run along. You can go sleep.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Make sure you sleep. It's very necessary. Okay? Good night.
Isn't it? Where are you going?
I'm going back to school.
Monday is tomorrow.
Yes.
And my husband hasn't given me your school fees and house rent money. So,
Don't worry. He already gave me the money.
what?
Yes, he did.
But he usually does that through me.
Well, maybe he did not want to disturb you this time.
Sister, take care of yourself, okay? Mama?
Don't forget what I told you.
Yes, Mama. Well, take care of yourself. Very important.
I know.
Sister.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
May God be with you.
Thank you, Mama. When Uncle Joe comes back, send my regards.
Okay. Mommy. Why would my husband give her money directly?
Stella, don't bother yourself. You bother so much. It's fine.
It's fine.
Why will you give her money without letting me know?
Give who money?
My sister, of course.
I don't understand.
What is there not to understand?
I guess she's talking about the money you gave to her sister for school fees and rent.
Oh, yes, school fees and rent, right? Oh, babe, I just decided to give it to her this time around.
Really? I see. This is the only thing you feel like doing differently in this house. Babe.
She said...
Mama, what's going on?
She said that she felt pity for you after having that conversation with her last night. So she decided to go back to school without anything until things get well with you again.
But I did not give that girl a dime.
I know. She's just trying to be considerate.
Good evening, Uncle Joe.
Isn't it? Thank you.
You are welcome, sir.
I will never forget what you did for me today. I promise you, I will never forget it.
It's fine, Uncle. Take care of yourself and my sister. Miracle is on the way.
Amen.
See this murder case that I've been working on. Yeah? That case is eating me up for I swear to God. I mean, when it looks like we are almost close to closing the case, you just need some new evidences from nowhere coming. And then boom, we're starting all over again. Yeah? It's really eating me up. I mean, I've not been on any case that has been this stressful for a very long time. I don't know what else to do with that case. So I don't tire for that case. It's eating me up. Yeah? Hi. As in, if I feel see as I take my hand for that case, I for don't remove hand take. So I don't feel like you. I'll find a guy. Where you go?
What's in?
I mean, where did you go? Where were you?
You trying to say where I go? No be hide these things. Which kind of talk?
How you go say you did here? I am very sure you didn't hear a thing from the whole thing I have said here. Eh? What's wrong now? What's in the happen? What's it in New York?
My brother, situation just tire me. Everything is draining me and sapping all my energy.
What is it? Is it about your good side and mama's surgery?
It's been 1 month, my brother. Yes, it's been over a month and nothing has happened. Over a month and nothing has happened. The commissioner has given me an ultimatum. Supply those computers by the end of the month or we will award the contract to somebody else. Where am I supposed to get 12 million naira from before the end of the month?
So I'm true.
Overchoke, my brother. Where?
What about the ring?
What ring?
Stella's ring, your wife.
Okay, what about it?
Bro, that ring is worth 30 million naira. Remember now, don't you buy them? You can get that, you can put that ring up for sale and get an upward amount of about 20 million or even more. With that, you will sort your problems with the customer and do mama's surgery at ease. Now think now. Yeah, use your head.
Steve, wait oh. Wait, so all this way they talk. Are you in any way suggesting that I should sell my wife's wedding ring?
That's exactly what I'm saying. I put water for mouth to the talker.
Where did this idea come out from?
Oh, well, from a brain that is seeking solution for his friend.
Steve, I know you're concerned about me.
Thank God you know.
Yeah, I know that, but please, don't go there again. Don't talk that kind of thing again, I beg. Man, no verse for you, I just go beg you.
What?
Don't go there again, I'm telling you.
Why would you tell me not to go there?
Why would you even suggest? Why would you open your mouth to tell me that I should sell my wife's wedding? Do you know what that ring means to her?
Why not if not? You can't be here killing yourself while your wife is having solution to your problem on her finger. Think now, you know be Dundee now, you know be Dollard now. Think. I mean, you can sell that ring for a good amount of money. You fix your problem with the custom, do mama's surgery, and still have more change in your pocket to sort all that problems. Eh? I mean, if you later decide that you want to get her another ring, you can do that from the money you make from your supplies. You know, I no first support that your 30 million naira ring go. But if your mind tells you say you want to do that kind of nonsense, you will still do them. But first of all, use what you've got to get what you want. I mean, fix yourself, fix your problems. Okay? Shouldn't be your wife does to your wife that.
Okay. Let's say I buy this weird idea of yours. How am I supposed to convince Stella to part with her ring? You and I know how much she prides herself in that ring.
We don't really have to convince her. I mean, there are ways we go about these things. All we need is a decoy ring.
A decoy ring? What do you mean by that?
There's this guy I know in town who can, make exact copy of anything you give him, anything concerning jewelries. All we need is to get a picture of this ring you have, or if you tell him about the ring, and he will make the exact copy. I mean, if they bring this ring and the fake, you will find it difficult to even differentiate between the two. I bet you she will not even find out. She will not know. Swap this thing, sell the other one, get the money, solve your problems. If you have excess money, you think you want to get another ring, you buy another one. Besides, me, I no first support that your 30 million naira ring. Or if you think you want to replace it, it's fine. You get the money from your supplier, you do that. Hello, Abdul, they come down now, eh? We don't here for how long? Waka come down now, make we do this thing. I beg, hurry up, hurry up.
Okay, detective.
Abdul, how far now?
I never steal anything, but I never no stealing item for myself.
No worry, I don't come arrest you. I don't come arrest you. Come.
What thing can carry me on now?
The girl thing I won't show you. Just hold on. Okay. See this ring? No worry. See what thing I show you. I want me you picture and wear. Look and wear. You see this ring? You see, I want this exact kind of ring. Exactly, make anything no different.
Exactly this one.
Exactly,
I never see a Z type for this ring. And what this company carry? They aren't the cost for.
But is it possible for you to get this exact type? Even if like, is it possible to make it?
It's possible. Nothing is not possible. I want to pocket eye.
Like how much?
Can I tell you 100,000?
Abdul, waiting to worry you. How about a general price now? I mean, what can they do to give that kind of price? How much you go to do one for me? For me?
Like for you, I go do 200,000. Now let's forever another one down.
Well, it's okay as long as we can get this exact type. I don't mind. And then he's also able to sell the original one. You know?
Well, I get the original one.
The original one day.
Cup! Well, I can sell it. I'm going to give me time, pa. I'll give me time.
Like how long?
Like 2-3 weeks. Unless you go on, go sell a cheap, pa.
Hello. Anything less than 20 million naira, a kobo less, I am not selling.
I tell you, go take time, pa. Because that ring now, why does see never see one ring?
How about the fake one, the copy? What want me to do? When I go get that one?
I don't want that tomorrow. I'm aware I go get my money.
You will get your money now.
I don't want to transfer, pa. I'll give you cash.
No problem. I will just use the ATM and give you your
I said no go anything I go set down, I go give me like 5%, pa.
5%?
Even now, I was the original.
Abdul, 2%.
Go on, I know they do.
You know they do 2%?
I know they do. Go find that person.
Hey, how far that woman? You remember that woman where they steal a wedding ring for our wedding? We be saying now inside your shop now we see the wedding ring. You know that case? I never close them properly.
I never close them.
I never close them. No, we never close that case. So I feel just still go.
No, for only 2%.
Okay, we go down 2% now.
I'll go do.
2% is okay for you?
I don't have choice. I don't have choice.
So
thank you.
Right now. How long it will take to get?
Tomorrow now I will get them. Why go sell me one money? But why I go get them? My money.
We'll give you your money now. No, that was not a problem.
Baby, what's up with it now? It's over 1 month now and nothing has been done yet. I don't know why it's taking time. I mean, getting someone who is ready to sell up their kidney for 5 million naira in this country shouldn't be difficult.
Well, I spoke to the doctor and he said nothing has come up yet. They have not been able to find a donor. However, he assured me that before the end of next month, that he will give us good news.
He should though. He has to be fast about it because I am not ready to raise a child alone.
What do you mean by raise a child alone?
Yes, now. I don't have a mother. Because raising a child is between Mama and I. God forbid, should anything happen to her, how will I take up the responsibilities? I mean, everything is going to be down on me.
Oh, I see. So, you and Mama are very good when it comes to raising children. But you don't think I can help you raise a child, why?
Baby, what are you even saying? What are you talking about? You that is barely around. When will you have time to leave office, to come back home, to help me babysit a child?
Why are we even talking about a child?
That is because we are expecting one.
You're pregnant.
Yes.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
Why is this old man so excited?
Mama, come. Good. Come. Look at this lady very well. Queen of here. Oh my God, man. Very good. She's going to be having a child very soon, and she will make you a grandmother. Wonderful. Me. Before happiness.
Congrats. Thank you, Mom.
This is beautiful. This is so nice. My goodness.
Baby.
My love. Oh. Congratulations in advance, my love.
Thank you, baby. So, baby, tell me.
Yes, my love.
Where are we going to have this baby?
Do you think this is the right thing to do?
Mama, I do not know if this is the right thing to do. But this is my only option. You heard her. There's a baby on the way. I cannot let things get worse. And the commissioner is threatening that if I don't make the supplies by the end of the month, they will award the contract to somebody else.
I understand. But don't you think you should talk to her instead of trying to steal it? After all, you are her husband. And your problems are her problems too.
I know my wife. It will break her if I tell her. And the ring I'm swapping this for is not cheap either. It doesn't come cheap. I promise you, Mama, it will not fail in another 5 years. They guaranteed me that.
Well, if that is the only option, no problem.
It's my only option, Mama. It is.
Guy, how far?
Steve, how far now? What's up now? That man assured us that the ring will be ready before the end of today. Look, the time is almost 8 p.m. What's going on?
Yeah, I spoke with him and he said there was a little delay. But he assured me the ring will be available first thing tomorrow morning.
It had better be. I am serious, it had better be.
Calm down. Calm down, everything will be fine.
Baba, don't tell me to calm down. I'm not going to calm down. Things just got even worse.
Worse? How?
Stella is pregnant.
Whoa, congratulations, bro.
Bro, I will only say thank you to that compliment when the man sells the ring. If you know be that one, I beg no congratulate me again.
He will, don't worry.
No, don't even think about it. Don't congratulate me.
It's alright then. Have a good night.
No wala. Okay, sure. You say it's tomorrow, right? Tomorrow morning.
Yes, tomorrow morning.
I'll be waiting for you. All right, take care.
Yeah, it is. You see, it looks just like the original.
Wow. I try.
Good job, I mean. Nice one, man. When I see.
Hey Stella, good morning.
How are you?
Very well, I mean, you can't complain.
This one you want in the house this early. I hope we are safe.
Sorry. Sorry. You're completely safe. I just needed to hand something over to Joe.
Wait, what's that?
Oh, and it's something just
guys stuff.
Guys, you know that kind of thing. With business.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay, so.
You won't invite him to have breakfast.
But babe, you know I'm not stingy.
Of course I know. Yeah, so ask him to have breakfast.
Okay, Steve, please, you have to sit and wait for 10 minutes to join us for breakfast.
I mean, I really wish I could wait, but I need to run along. There is something I really need to attend to.
He mentioned that.
It's just 10 minutes.
That's a long time for me. I mean, you know my job.
Yeah, bro.
So, bro, I'll see you. I'll see you later.
Nice one. Later.
Thank you. No
Sure.
issues.
All
No
right,
issues.
man.
Hey, how is Mama?
Oh, Mama, I'm sure she's still sleeping.
Yeah,
you know she hardly sleeps at night, so she sleeps almost when it's morning.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I mean, that's okay. That's fine. And Stella, you as well. You look amazing. Look beautiful this morning. As always. It's alright, bro. I'll see you.
Nice one.
Alright, Steve, bye.
Take care. Safe, oh.
Don't let me go.
Bye.
Beautiful kid. This early morning. Is it because I'm wearing makeup? He's washing.
Which one is the wash? I want for you. Have you forgotten that when I met you, it was even in the morning without makeup? Don't
Baby,
forget.
you're just washing me.
No, this is not washed. I did tell you true. Don't worry, maybe we go upstairs. I can show you how through I'm talking.
Babe, what are you saying? You and I shall day your eye. I beg you.
my eyes as if you don't like them. I beg you know.
Hey, let me go make breakfast before my mother-in-law waits.
Oh, really? Your mother-in-law?
Yes.
Okay. So your mother-in-law now is important more than your husband.
Husband? Who husband help?
Okay, no worry. Mother-in-law will help you do that one.
No problem.
Hey! I'll see the talk at you. Well done. What's that? Okay, don't worry now. Nice one, well done, eh?
Baby, how are you?
I'm okay. And you?
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Your face is looking somehow. Why? You're so worried.
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your meal is ready.
Oh, okay.
Yes, baby. Let me freshen up, okay? I'm sweaty. I'm so tired. Can you help me get this up?
Alright.
And your meal is ready.
Oh, that, yeah.
Babe, are you okay?
Huh?
Your hand is shaking.
Oh, this stuff, I don't know, it's kind of slippery.
But you've been the one taking it off for me.
I know, but I don't know what's...
Oh, easy. Alright, thank you, honey.
Yeah.
So I want to go shower upstairs. Let me go freshen up, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you going to take your bath with your ring on your finger?
Yes, baby. It's crystal diamond. It's not going to spoil. It's not washing. It's forever like this. Thank you. I love you.
How do I get that ring off her finger now? Hey.
My wife.
Mommy.
You're cooking?
Yes, ma'am. I want to fry plantain.
That's nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Well done, though.
You want to drink water?
Yeah.
Room temperature. Cold one. Cold one? Okay, ma'am.
Hey. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll send you ready.
Okay, thank you.
My brother, there's nothing I've not done. That woman never takes the ring off her finger. During sex, she has it on. Taking her bath, she has it on. When she's eating, she has it on. There is no time she takes that ring off her finger. I am tired. Nothing will overdo.
In that case, you've got only one option.
Which is?
Drug her.
Drug her. Steve, you smoke it, bro. You don't colos. Are you okay? Have you forgotten she's pregnant? What if something happens to my unborn child?
Nothing will happen to her. I mean, have you forgotten I am a detective? We know substances that completely harmless. I'll get you something to give her and then she'll doze off. Yeah.
Are you sure about this?
100% sure. The stuff is 100% safe. Where is this girl? Agnes! Yeah. Please, how much is our bill?
It's 3-5, sir.
3-5. Did you add the sauced snail?
Okay, plus that is 6-5.
What's the account number?
05
0569
523.
Right where I don't give a fuck.
Babe? Here's your drink.
Maybe.
Yeah, drink up. I will join you in a bit. I want to get groceries down the street.
Okay, baby, it's fine.
Alright.
Take care.
Take care too, darling. I'm coming very soon, okay?
Alright, honey. Easy.
Alright, darling. Hey.
Hi, baby.
Hi, darling.
How are you? What took you so long?
I I went to the store down the street to get groceries, but they were not open, so I headed uptown.
Oh, okay. But you got them now?
Yes, I did.
Alright, baby. Are you okay?
Yeah, sweetheart. Did you drink the juice I gave to you?
No, honey. I want it, but mommy said she wanted to have a taste of it, so I gave it to her, and she ended up finishing everything. I didn't drink it.
Oh.
Yes, baby. Mommy did.
Mama drank it?
Yes, baby. Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I love you, baby.
I love you more. I'm soon. I'm coming, okay?
Where are you going?
Let me know how Mama is doing.
Alright.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright, sleep tight, okay, baby?
Okay, baby. I just want to rest. Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah, my love.
That wedding is next weekend. And you are yet to give me the Ashebi money for my friend and I.
Oh, yeah. Ashebi money, right?
Yeah, baby.
Okay, just remind me. Okay, just give me like 2 days. I should be able to raise the money in 2 days' time. How much did you say it was again? 200,000, right?
400,000.
400,000.
For my friend and I.
Yeah, 400,000.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good, my love. Just remind me in 2 days' time.
Alright, honey. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
Baby, you will like the plantain. It's so nice.
The plantain, right?
Very sweet.
Give me.
Give you what, Mama?
Give the ring to me. We are eating yam today.
Yes, Mommy.
Ah, that's nice. Do we still have juice in the fridge?
Yes, ma. Let me get it for you.
No. Do what you're doing. I can get it.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you. Well done.
Thank you. All right, Mommy. Thank you. Mommy, do you need cup?
No. I'm fine.
Thank you so much. Mama, this means a lot to me. I have to call Steve. Steve, how far? Just hold on first. I have the ring. I have the ring now.
Kai, why go return the back one for me, man? Ah, one another back one why don't do for you, I return one.
What are you talking about? This is the original one.
Kai, guy, the way me. One another back one, man. Ah?
How is that even possible? This is the original one I brought for you.
Are you sure you swapped the rings?
I wasn't the one who swapped the ring. Mama swapped it.
What? Was my mother swapped the rings?
Yes, and I know my mother. She's very meticulous when it comes to things like this. She can never make a mistake.
That's true. I know mama too. Abdul, check and wait. Now the original.
Now the original be this, Abdul.
Check it. Get one machine one that they use. Now go use lights. Check am. Confirm am.
I got the detective. And I go teach me my job. Can you police me na go sell her? Ah? Why not the book one in the sell for me, pa? I don't book one the sell for me. What telling me a machine do this one?
That's practically impossible.
Go now. Go use machine.
Abdul, use machine. I beg. Use me down the original be this.
I know machine. Nothing come. Whatever my eye don't see, machine don't see. Collect. Collect one. I not consider me consider one machine. You're telling me. I was born selling goods. Damn.
Could it be that somebody had already swapped strings?
Look at it from that angle.
Mommy, why would my husband not tell me all this he was passing through? What kind of a woman does he think I am? The one who is meant only to enjoy in her marriage and not to suffer with her husband.
It is not like that, my daughter. All Joseph ever wanted to give you was the whole world. But he didn't know how to let you know that the world was crumbling right under your feet.
And I was busy making silly demands. Even asking him to pay for a shabby material for my friend. Mommy, tell me the truth. Did Joseph give Ezinne the money?
No, he did not. Ezinne already knew what your husband was going through. And she said she didn't want to compound issues for him. She left.
Oh. I guess I am the only one in my house that didn't know what my husband was going through.
Don't take it too hard upon yourself. You didn't know. The most important thing is that now you know. You should be a good wife to your husband. Support him even as he's going through hard times. It happens in every marriage. What makes him earn your respect is your ability to stand by him while he is going through this. And I know it is not something you cannot do. I know you can do it.
What's wrong? Why are you crying?
Am I a bad wife?
No. No, you're not.
Am I too demanding?
Oh, just a little.
Why didn't you tell me?
I did not want you to feel bad.
I am your wife, Joseph. You are my husband. My best friend. The brother I never had. Joseph, you are my father. It's your responsibility to put me through when I am going offline. It's your duty to mold me into the wife that you desire.
My love, I wouldn't have married you if I did not desire you.
And that is not what I am talking about. Why didn't you tell me about the seized goods?
Babe, I didn't want to bother you.
Well, like Mama said that I am your wife. We are one. Your problem is my problem. I will stand by you at all times. I love you, baby. I got you always. Here's my wedding ring. I don't know how much it is worth, but Martha is always telling me that it costs a lot. So, let's just sell it and use it to solve some of our problems.
Wait, let me help you. Gently, please, babe.
Yes, baby. To solve our problems, I can't be wearing millions of naira ring on my finger, and we can solve our problems.
I love you.
I love you forever. It's going to solve our problem, okay? I catch you always. Oh, please don't keep me in the darkness time. Tell me what your problem is, and I'll stand by you.
Well, babe.
Why are you opening your hand? Close it. Castle it off. I don't need it again.
Babe, that will not be necessary anymore.
Why not? Have you sorted yourself out? Babe.
It's fake.
Huh? My wedding ring fake? You stole my wedding ring.
I did. Yes. Joseph did not know how to get the ring off your finger. Because he doesn't enter the kitchen, he wouldn't know that the only time you take off the ring is when you enter the kitchen.
What? So, if this isn't My original wedding ring. Where is the original?
Well, if you're certain that the only times you have taken off the ring from your finger was when you entered the kitchen, then our suspects should be narrowed down to the people who entered the kitchen since our wedding day.
The only persons that have had access to the kitchen with me are Ezinne, Martha,
and me.
Mama is already out of it. So, I think we have just 2 suspects here.
We have just one suspect here, if you ask me, Steve. Martha. Ezinne will not do a thing like that. Besides, that young lady does not know where to sell the ring or the value of that ring. Remember I told you she was the one who lied to her sister that I gave her everything that she needed to return to school.
Yeah, I remember. Well, in that case, why don't we get Martha here immediately? I mean, ask your wife to call her over. That's what we should do. Yeah, that's what we should do.
Yes, come in. Oh, what are you here?
Hey, so why do you want me to perform like that?
Where is my wedding ring?
I don't understand. Your wedding ring? What's happening?
Somebody stole her wedding ring and then replaced it with a decoy.
A fake.
Calm down, Stella. Huh? Nobody has said she's a thief yet.
Mama, who else? She is the only one who is constantly admiring my wedding ring. Admiring it, telling me how expensive it is.
Stella, are you saying I stole your ring?
What your friend said is that the only times she ever took off her wedding ring were times she was at the kitchen. So I ask you, madam, ever since they did the wedding, have you ever shared the kitchen with her?
No.
Liar. No be me and you cooking Indomie the other day. Huh?
Oh yes, sorry. I forgot.
Why you no go forget, thief?
Baby. Please calm down.
Now me matter. Stella, you dey call thief. Hey. Nothing must I never see forget.
So, Martha, are you admitting to have shared her kitchen with her since after the wedding?
Yes, but I didn't steal her ring.
Did you ever see her take the wedding ring off?
I think so. Wait. Are you trying to say I'm the only one that have shared the kitchen since after the wedding? What about Ezinne, her sister, and her husband?
My sister is not a thief.
And I haven't shared the kitchen with her since after the wedding.
And maybe she forgot it and someone else stole it.
I cannot steal what I bought.
Well, I didn't steal anything. And I'm off to my house. Until you all have interrogated all other suspects or have any concrete evidence against me. I don't want to see any of you. And Stella, now God will judge us.
Steve, are you letting her go just like that?
Yes.
Why?
I mean, we can't just assume that the other suspects are innocent. We also don't have anything concrete on her.
Babe, that's true. We don't have anything on her.
So are we going to let my 30 million naira wedding ring go just like that?
Abdul,
Abdul? Go ahead, pick it.
Who is Abdul?
Abdul is the jeweler who made the fake one.
Hello? Abdul. Okay. Alright, I will come to your place. I think we've got a break.
Oh, okay, what is it?
Abdul just said he knows the jeweler who did the fake one.
Guys, alright, let's go then. Let's go.
Today is Sunday. I mean, the office is not open. Unless in a case where we'll have to go to his house.
So what are we waiting for? Let's proceed.
Just wait, please. Calm down.
Yeah, we can go with that option. But if we must do that, then I have to go with only Joseph.
Why not with me? It's my wedding ring that was stolen.
I know. But then we did not know the situation of things at this place. Nobody knows how safe it will be over there. Besides, you're carrying my godson. So I would not want to put you in harm's way.
Steve is right. Both of them can actually go. He can actually go with Joseph. Both of them can handle whatever situation then, I believe. Moreover, he is a detective handling this whole thing. He knows better.
But mommy, I would love to go with them.
Just calm down, okay, babe?
Okay. You both can go, but please, come back with my original wedding ring or its equivalent, please. Okay? I need my wedding ring or its equivalent.
I'll do my best.
What do you want this time?
I am sure you know as much as I do. That if I want to lock you up, I can do that right away. Because I mean, there will be tens of crimes I can label on you.
The very reason I'm asking you what you want.
What did you make this decoy for? Start talking.
You want his name, phone number, or what exactly?
Call the person and tell the person to come here right away.
Hi. Detective.
I said tell them to be here right away. Whatever it is, let's go. Right now.
Right away.
Move.
Hello, Chidi. Yeah, Alpha. Oh, but I don't see buyer. That's Nama they call you now. And Nama they call you. I did my place like this. Go come my place. Oh, but me and you know say I understand the plans. No worry, we got alignment. Come my place now, babe. He's on his way. He'll soon be here.
May I know where's the original?
The original? I don't sell them now. It has been sold.
What?
Oh, should be what? I've sold it.
You sold it to who? What the fuck is this guy talking about?
That's Steve. Me and you know, say I know if you do this kind of disclosure. So when they turn, I know if you answer the kind of question. You inform mom now.
Yeah. You can't tell.
Oh my God, Steve! Why?
Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. We're on this. We'll get to the roots. Don't worry. Huh? Just get in the car. You know. Get in the car. Let's wait for this guy. Huh? Get in the car. Calm down. And you call him, tell him to hurry up, eh? We don't have all the time.
Please, stick to the plans. Stick to the plans.
What's up now? Where's the buyer?
There's guy there up now. Which can't go
I know. What's up? I don't get time. Where the buyer now?
Calm down.
Yeah.
Hey! You move! You move! See, I'm going to ask you this just once.
What?
How did you swap the original for that fake?
Chidi, I know they understand you. This your sellers will kill you. This your sellers will kill you. See, this guy will not only make your life miserable, but a living hell. You could tell for this like a place like fire day. You guys begin to talk now.
Bro, Sameng. No, I didn't swap it. You didn't swap. Then who did? Who?
My girlfriend.
Who is your girlfriend? Talk! No, I cannot believe that she would do something like this to me. Isn't it really? What's this world even turning into?
You know I've always told you to never trust people, except yourself. Sideways once you trust people so much.
I'm fucking pissed right now.
None of they carry me good.
My friend, would you keep quiet?
That's what it is.
What was that now? Eh? You want to kill me? What is it?
Oh my God!
Will you get your eyes off it? Let's go. Let's go.
Mama?
Isn't it? What are you doing here?
Or could you ask me to come?
Why?
Maybe they have decided to interrogate all the suspects after all.
Even Ezinne? No.
What suspects? Chidi, what are you doing here?
Oh, you know him? How I wish for this to be a lie.
Babe, I don't understand. What is he doing here? And who is this guy?
Ask your sister that question.
Ezinne, who is this guy and what is he doing in my house?
Officer, I've shown you the person that swapped the ring. So please, can I go now?
If you move an inch, if you dare move an inch, I'll make sure I break every damn bone you have in this your criminal body.
Please, I'm not a criminal.
Isn't it? You are under arrest for the theft of your sister's diamond wedding ring.
What is this? What are you saying? Ezinne is my sister, she's not a thief. Ezinne? What is he talking about?
Sister, he is right. I swapped the rings. I'm sorry.
Yeah, talk to me. What is it?
Things are not good in the house. And my sister is not even aware of it. You know, Uncle Joe doesn't want to tell her because he's scared she might feel bad.
Wait, are you serious about this? Things are rough in the house. And your sister's husband is not telling her because he doesn't want her to feel bad.
Which kind of woman rapper be that one now?
Do you feel everybody is wicked like you? Uncle Joe is a very good man. I mean, I'm so sad that all these things are happening to him. He doesn't deserve any of this.
Now you can't feel for her now. You the lover. But wait. The other time you told me the ring he bought for his wife is very expensive.
Yes.
He can sell it now. Yes. You don't think that could help them? I mean, in this kind of situation. A prisoner.
Ezinne.
Sister, we made all inquiries and found out the cost of the original ring and how much to get a decoy. He paid for the decoy and we agreed that I'll give him 1 million naira after selling the ring. I'm sorry.
You promised to give him the sum of 1 million naira out of my 30 million naira diamond wedding ring, Ezinne.
Babe.
Calm down.
Babe, don't do this. Come on. Don't do
Hey,
this. Calm down.
my wedding ring.
It's okay. We'll get to the root of this, okay?
How were you able to swap the rings?
That was very simple.
Wow.
What happened?
It's taking me cold.
Oh my God. Let me see.
Oh, it's bending me.
Sorry, okay? So how come you were not careful enough? Sorry. I'll take it from you, okay? So sorry. 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 Let me see.
It's bending me.
It's fine, sorry, okay, sorry. You have to be careful next time, okay? Sorry, let me continue. I don't like this knife. Where's the other knife for me? Get me the other knife. This one is not sharp enough. I wonder what cut you. Where's the other knife? This here. You're just too lazy. Sorry now. Do you need first aid? Alright, go inside. Go and apply something, please. Sorry, right? You have to be careful next time. Is it still bleeding?
I'm trying to control the blood.
Okay, use water on it, okay? Use water, press it down, then you go upstairs. You go get something to rub on it, okay?
Okay.
Sorry. Sorry, why is he crying? Go inside, go get something to apply on it.
Yes, let me go and apply something on
Alright.
that.
Sorry.
Be careful, it's very painful.
It's not sharp. I wonder what caught you. Listen, girl, you just want to go inside.
We gave the ring to the jeweler who was having issues selling it. So yesterday night he called me that he had gotten a buyer.
That criminal. I told him to communicate alone with me.
Chidi, you are the criminal. What were you thinking? That I won't find out? You know, I overheard you over the phone talking to someone that once the ring has been sold, you would take the money and disappear.
Oh, is that it? No wonder he came alone when we called him. You see you, I will make sure you rot in jail.
You know, I went to the jeweler and I explained things to him. I told him that my intention was never to sell the ring and keep the money. I was only trying to help Uncle Joe because he was going through a lot.
Mama's ill health, his seized goods, my school fees, my accommodation, and my sister's continuous demand.
What did you say? My continuous demand?
Yes, sister. Your husband couldn't tell you because he feared you would misunderstand him. You know, even before that night I spoke to you, I had already stolen the ring. And I also made up my mind on what to do with it.
So, my child, where is the ring?
She sold it already, Mama.
What?
Yes.
She sold my diamond wedding ring? Where is the money?
She paid everything into my bank account. Everything. She did not take out a dime from it, not even for her school fees or house rent.
Not all. The ring was sold for 26 million naira. I gave the jeweler 1 million naira. Then the bank manager that did the transaction for me insisted that I must give him 1 million naira too. So it is the remaining 24 million naira that I deposited into your account.
Wait, please. You mean you sold my diamond wedding ring and you deposited all the money into my husband's bank account?
Yes. Yeah, that's what she did.
I knew I would be the first person you will send the money to. Hence you get the alert. I'm sincerely sorry, Uncle Joe. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. You know, you have been more than a father and a brother to us. You've been taking care of my sister and I. You even made us feel entitled to the things you owned. I'm sorry, Uncle. I'm sorry, please. I couldn't just sit back here and watch you go through difficult times. That was why I did what I did. I am sincerely sorry. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Isn't it? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And why is she only apologizing to him? I mean, it was my wedding ring she sold.
Babe, can you just please shut up?
Babe!
Detective. She affidavit. The prison, Abi?
Mr. Man, sit down!
Please. I am sorry. I am sorry for everything. I am sorry for being careless with you. I am deeply sorry. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I'm a changed person right now. I'm going
It's
to
okay,
pay
babe.
attention
No,
to
you
things.
don't. It's alright. I've forgiven you already, okay? It's fine.
Oh yeah, prison time. Stand up. Stand up, my friend! Oh yeah, move it.
Officer, my ID still help the family now.
Which ID? My friend, move it!
So it's okay? I'll come to the station
Thank
very
you,
soon.
Steve.